What if I told you that losing your job tomorrow would not scare a single millionaire on this planet? Not because they are lucky, not because they have connections, but because they have something you don't, 7 income streams working for them at the same time. And before we get into it, if you want weekly money strategies that schools never taught you, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon right now. New video every week. You don't want to miss what's coming. Here is the truth. The average millionaire does not have one source of income. They have 7. If one stream dries up, 6 more keep flowing. That is not luck. That is a system. And today I am going to show you exactly what those 7 streams are and how you can start building them one by one. Let's get into it. Income stream number 1, earned income. This is the one everyone starts with, your job, your salary, your freelance work. You trade time for money and get paid for it. Now, earned income is not bad. It is actually the foundation. You use your salary to fund everything else on this list. The mistake people make is staying here forever, treating their job as their only plan instead of their starting point. Your job is not your destination. It is your launchpad. Use it to build everything else. Income stream number 2, profit income. This is money you make from selling something. A product, a service, a business. In 2026, this has never been easier to start. You can sell digital products on Gumroad for free. You can offer a simple service on Fiverr with 0 investment. You can dropship products without holding any inventory. The key is this: profit income is active at first. You put in effort and you get paid. But as your business grows, systems take over and it starts running without you. A digital product you created once can sell every single day for the next 5 years without you touching it again. Start with one product, one service, price it, sell it. Reinvest the profit. Income stream number 3, interest income. This is money your money makes while sitting in the right place. Most people keep all their savings in a regular bank account, earning almost 0 interest. But high-yield savings accounts, government bonds, and fixed deposits can earn you 5 to 12% per year just for parking your money there. It is not exciting. It is not flashy. But interest income is one of the most reliable streams on this list. You put money in. Money comes out. Every single month. Without lifting a finger. Start small. Even $100 in a high-yield account is better than $100 sitting in a regular account doing nothing. Income stream number 4, dividend income. This is where things start getting interesting. When you buy shares in a company, you become a part owner of that business. And many companies pay their shareholders a portion of their profits every quarter. That payment is called a dividend. So imagine owning shares in 10 different companies. Every 3 months, without doing any work, you receive payments from all 10. That is dividend income. You do not need thousands of dollars to start. Apps like Rust and international platforms let you start investing with as little as $10. Buy dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Hold them. Collect payments, reinvest. Watch it grow. This is the stream that truly works while you sleep. Income stream number 5, rental income. Most people hear rental income and think, I need to buy a house. I cannot afford that. But rental income in 2026 is not just about physical property. You can rent out a spare room on Airbnb. You can rent out your car when you are not using it. You can even rent out digital assets, a website, a newsletter, an Instagram page, to businesses who want to advertise on them. One person renting out their spare bedroom on Airbnb makes $500 to $1,500 per month from a room that was just collecting dust. That is rental income. No mortgage needed. Start with what you already have: a room, a car, a digital page. Turn it into a rental asset today. Income stream number 6, capital gains. This is profit you make when something you own increases in value and you sell it. You buy a website for $2,000. You grow it. You sell it for $8,000. That $6,000 difference is capital gains. You buy Bitcoin or stocks at a low price. They go up, you sell. Capital gains. You buy an old laptop for $50 on OLX. Fix it up. Sell it for $200. Capital gains. The key with capital gains is buying assets that have growth potential, not liabilities that lose value. A phone depreciates the moment you buy it. A website, a stock, a piece of land, these can multiply in value over time. Buy assets. Hold them. Sell higher. Income stream number 7, royalty income. This is the most overlooked stream on this entire list, and it might be the most powerful one. Royalty income is money you earn when someone uses something you created: a song, a book, a photo, a YouTube video, a course, a template. Every time someone streams your song, you get paid. Every time someone buys your ebook, you get paid. Every time someone watches your old YouTube video from 3 years ago, you get paid. You create it once, it pays you forever. In 2026, you can start earning royalties by uploading videos to YouTube, selling courses on Gumroad or Teachable, selling photos on Shutterstock, or writing an ebook and putting it on Amazon Kindle. All free to start. One YouTube video from 2 years ago can still be generating $50 to $500 per month today. That is royalty income, working for you long after you stopped working on it. So let's recap. The 7 income streams every millionaire has. 1. Earned income. Your job or freelance work. Your starting point. 2. Profit income. Selling products or services. Build once, sell forever. 3. Interest income. Your money earning money in the right accounts. 4. Dividend income. Getting paid just for owning shares in companies. 5. Rental income. Your assets working for you. 6. Capital gains. Buying low, selling high. 7. Royalty income. Getting paid forever for things you created once. You do not need all 7 tomorrow. Start with 1. Master it. Add another. Then another. 6 months from now, your financial life will look completely different. The only difference between where you are and where millionaires are is the number of streams they built while everyone else was waiting for the right time. The right time is right now. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe. I drop money strategies every single week that most people will never hear about. And comment below which income stream are you building first. Let's go. Backhand index pointing down.